Welcome to the show.
My name is Sean, and this is
Bella.
And we are big fans of art. Every day we like to draw stuff at our house, and we pick out different things and we just start to draw. So we thought we would do a show that helped other kids learn how to draw the stuff that we like to draw. All right, so what are we gonna draw today, Stella?
A unicorn.
A unicorn. All right, so let's start our unicorn drawing. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do is pick out, first thing I'm gonna do is get some paper, and you got some, and then I got a pencil. I like to do pencils first, and then once you have the pencil, you can go over it with a marker, and then it doesn't look like you messed up anything. If you use a marker, if you're really good, you can use a marker, and then you'll be fine. But sometimes, if you use a marker and you mess up, what happens? You have to start all over again.
Yeah.
All right, so let's start with our unicorn. Now, I'm gonna start somewhere in the middle of my paper, like right in here-ish, okay? And I'm gonna draw the nose that goes down, and then a little, so it's almost like a little backwards J there. Yeah, can you see that? Let's see, a little backwards J. There you go. All right, next, I'm gonna go off to the side just a little bit and up, like at a slightly different angle. Can you do like a little angle out, like a little flare out towards the top? There you go. That works. Cool. Now, I'm gonna take and do a little tiny jaw. So it's just like a little hoop right there. That's gonna make a little jawline for that guy. Perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna do an ear. And this ear is gonna go straight up, but I'm gonna just do one line, sort of like on a little angle there.
What should I do?
Just like one little line up. There you go, perfect. That's a little bit long. You might wanna erase a little bit of that, which is okay, because that's why we do it with pencil, because if you do it a little too long, you can just erase the tip, and now you're good. So I think I did mine a little bit too long too. Let me erase it a little bit. So now I'm gonna go like this with a little C backwards. Or actually, it's not quite a C. It looks like kind of an A, like but with a little curve on it. And then I'm gonna do another little line inside that that looks like his ear. Does that make sense? Perfect. Or maybe it's a her, I don't know. Depends on what you're picking to draw. So now, so far we have the nose and the jaw and one ear. And now I think it's a good time to do the hair. Now I like to do hair like this, where I come off the ear and swoop down and then go around. So it's like a little snaky sort of line.
I like to do hair just a bump.
Oh, just like a little.
Maybe like that.
Okay. It's like a little pop, pop, boop, boop. Cool. All right, so now I'm gonna go like this from the other side over here, and I'm gonna come up like that. And that's how I do my hair. It's a little bit different, but then I'm gonna pop out the little ear from over here. So there'll be like a little tiny ear popping out from behind the hair. Now, I like to do the horn. Now the horn's kind of between the two ears. And my horn's gonna come straight up like this at a little bit of an angle, a little bit of a rounded end, and then come straight back down.
Mine's a her, and it's just a princess, so princess unicorns just have a little bit of a shorter one.
Princess unicorns have shorter ones, that's right. So now I'm gonna do his eye, or her eye, or whoever. So with the eye, I just like to go like that, little hoop, and then one underneath. So it's like one,
I'm gonna do
two.
my own eye.
Oh, you're gonna do your own eye. And Stella likes to do eyes with a big circly eye with two little dots in them to make them look very cute and adorable. Mine are a little bit more mysterious. I just color them in there. I leave a little speck of white. That helps it give it some depth. So, all right. So now so far we have what we have here. That's mine. It looks like kind of like just like a horse head, right? Pretty good horse head. Not bad, right? Okay, now I'm gonna do the hair. Okay, so the hair comes off. I'm gonna do the front part of the hair first. So I'm gonna do this little hair here, and it's gonna go wavy, and then I'm gonna do a couple little curly things like this to look like a mane, and then I'm gonna do a little curly up there, and then from this side, I'm gonna come around, round, round, round.
I'm gonna do mine different. It's like gonna go like that. Yeah, and then we're gonna go here and go like that.
So what I did was I went from the ear and I just did a squiggly line, and then I went up, and then I just came and went down, and then down, and then I just kept doing this little lump thing. Made little lumps there. Looks like hair is folding over, and then one little curl up there. Stella's hair looks like that, which is also a cool way to do it. You can just do lines down it, and that way you can color them different, right? Yeah. Okay, so now that we have this, I'm gonna put the neck. So the neck is gonna come from right about here, underneath the jaw, middle of the face. It's gonna kind of swoop down, and then go to like a chest area. So like,
I'm just gonna do a neck like that, and then we're gonna do a round thing like that.
yeah,
Kind of like a little soup.
that's perfect. All right, so then next thing I'm gonna do is the back. So the back is just gonna be like kind of a line and a hump for the butt, horse butt. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start right up in here somewhere, and I'm just gonna draw a line that goes back, and then horse butt. Perfect. All right, so now we need some legs, because we just have a floating horse that has a horn, and that is not, that's weird. It needs legs, right? What are we gonna do for legs? I'm gonna draw the front legs first. So I'm gonna draw the front legs first, and the front legs are gonna go right off of this one. I'm gonna continue, and I'm just gonna draw like a little bit of a knee, and then that's going down to the hoof.
Mine's just gonna be straight, and then a little curve, like that, and then up, and
All right. Yeah, I like the hoof. Curl to it. So then I'm gonna come back here and draw the belly to about right there. And then I do a little leg that comes out, because horses have legs like that has this little C. So now that I have that front leg and then the back leg is started, I'm gonna come off of this part go forward like that. Both. Up. This one. Alright, so now that we have these, wait, this isn't gonna work. This unicorn only has 2 legs. It's definitely gonna fall over. We need to add some legs. I'm gonna add 1 leg in the back because the back leg is the easiest because it's just a copy of the front one, or of the back one. But we just go side by side. And that's the back leg. Alright, cool. Should we make the front leg go up like it's standing, like it's going like this?
Yeah.
Good. So I like to do that by making off the front, just making a little bit of a straight out.
I'm just gonna do from here at the bottom of the chest.
Yeah.
And then go
Okay, you do a curve. I do like a little bit of an A, and then I come out with a hook.
one of them.
And I like to do a little hook there, and then there we go.
But not all of them. She doesn't have a tail.
Oh, I think she looks. Oh, wait. You're right. There's no tail. You gotta put a tail on it. It's not a unicorn without a tail.
My
So-
tail is gonna go out and then like that. And then the other one's gonna go like that.
Ooh. Okay. Like a little rainbow almost. Like a rainbow. But a rainbow coming out of her butt. Alright, so mine is gonna come off there, off of the butt. But it's not gonna go quite as big, and I'm gonna have a couple little like, things in here for this. Where the hair looks a little curly. Perfect. Now I'll just put a couple of lines in there to make it look like it has some depth.
I'm just gonna,
And then I think we need a little nose.
and then I'm just gonna do a little
Oh, a little smile, that'd be nice. I think we're done. I think I'm done with the drawing part.
Okay, so now we just have to color it.
Let's show everybody what we got. There's mine. When Stella's up next to it. There's our drawings of the unicorn. So now we're gonna color them, right? Alright, well, guys, I think we're finished with our drawings, right? See it over there? You can see that one? There's Daddy's. There's Stella's. Really cool. She got some really cool details in there. Love it. Thanks for watching all the art. I'm Sean. This is
Stella.
and Sigma.
Bye.
We hope you come back. We hope you come back next time. How about